In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to click on Privacy Controls and select Permission Manager. Now you need to tap on one of your device's features you want to manage. Click on one of your apps, in my case Booking.com from Not Allowed section, and apply one of those options by clicking on the best one, Allow or Don't Allow. I will go with Allow, so when I tap and go back, Booking.com just gained access to my device's calendar. You can also select any app by clicking on one of those features and looking for it. I will go with Chrome, so I need to click on it here after I found it and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!